So bafethu, the Tabete family has been taken in lapha ejele regarding them having to be framed ngama-drugs by uGabriel. So nambona bafethu uFelicia uBonko baboshiwe ngoRoy. Iphoyisa isibongo sakhe uRoy uNdlondlo. You understand? Wena ubabophile-ke bafethu. Nami ngisanda kumazi uNdlondlo namhlanje. You understand? I didn't know the name of this policeman, but I always knew ukuthi Gabriel has a hand in terms of paying these policemen to go there and frame Genesis and frame uBonko kakhulukazi, the whole Tabete family, because Gabriel is against them, you understand? So they were taken in ke bafethu ke bona, and ke uRoy ke la is making threats kuBonko, uyabona. On the other side ke bafethu Gabriel yafika laphana eze uNoah, ufuna uzolanda uNoah to spend a weekend with him. So uNoah yasukuma lambuza uGabriel ukuthi akuwena yini owenze lento le yokuthi aframe uFelicia, because uFelicia is Noah's mom and uBonko is Noah's brother. So ubuza uGabriel, uNoah was very brave enough today to ask uGabriel, ubuza umkhomba nefoni, uyambuza ukuthi is that you? Because it seems as if it has Gabriel's name written all over it. Ukuthi he was the one who actually framed Abo Felicia and Abo Bonko to go to jail ngama-drugs, understand? Because I bet he saw laphana efonini like on social media and the whole thing outplayed ukuthi makufika uGabriel ambuzo, understand? So at that ke uGabriel amtshela umfana ukuthi ayona indlela nje ukukhuluma nomuntu omdala kakhulukazi ngoba ubaba wakhe, akuyona indlela yokukhuluma naye leyo, because uNoah is being disrespectful regarding what he's doing. But at that kuyafika uNobuhle-ke naye futhi uzo-eda uyasho ukuthi akamsaba uGabriel, akasaba amaqhima akaGabriel aze nawo regarding him having to frame the Tabetes, yabona, especially uFelicia noBonko, understand? Nakhona futhi bamtshela ukuthi she must mind her tone. At the same time uyasho ukuthi angeke azenze lento leyo because she knows ukuthi uGabriel had a hand in this. He had a hand in all of this, in framing uFelicia noBonko, understand? So basically uNoah ke noNobuhle know to Gabriel is behind this whole thing, of which he is very, you understand? But Gabriel is obviously going to deny it. So Gabriel amtshela uNoah ukuthi uzomlanda for a weekend. You understand? Kanti uNoah is rejecting the offer. Uthi yena angeke akwazi ukuhamba, ufuna ukuhlala ukuze mase bebuya oFelicia abe khona uNoah to witness her their return. You understand? Uthi Gabriel ngeke akwazi ukwenzeka lokho ke. He is taking uNoah by fire by force, uyahamba naye uyohlala naye lapha na apartment yakhe for the weekend. On the other side ke bafethu, the two arrestees uFelicia noBonko bazelwa iloya yabo. Their lawyer comes through, Litlotlo, I think. Litlotlo finally pulled through, you understand? And Litlotlo ke akakhulumanga kakhulu. Uveze footage yakaRoy, the very same policeman that arrested uFelicia noBonko, ubakhombe footage yakhe engena lapha eGenesis to go plant ama-drugs lapha na-ofisini likaBonko. You understand? So he was the one, the policeman that arrested Felicia was the one that came through to plant these drugs lapha. You understand? Uma nimbona nje kwi-footage, there's a footage, i-footage iphathwe yi-lawyer yakaFelicia. I-lawyer yakwaThabethe kahle kahle iphathwe uyena uLitlotlo. You understand? Wazotshengisa u-detective ukuthi hayibo, the very same policeman that arrested these guys is the very same policeman that actually planted in the drugs, understand? And uBonko also made a statement ukuthi if there's no justice found for them, he is gonna promote the video. The whole media is gonna promote that video. He's gonna make sure you have with media. So Mpumi is celebrating Basetsana's nomination for best newcomer. You understand? So as we all know, Mpumi is the songwriter and the ghostwriter yalaphana Revelation Records. So celebrating lapana. It seems as if things are actually going good for Mpumi. On the other side, I don't know what these guys are planning to do, but umafitha to be looking bangomsindo greeting everyone he sees lapha kwi-yard, because he was excited ukuthi they finally moved into a better apartment, a better space, you understand? So ubanje injabulo umafitha to lapha busy ubingelela nawe wonke umuntu, and Ishmael is concerned ukuthi hayibo nje ubingelela abantu lapha uyabazi labantu laba, because you don't know these people, and these people are going to say they are making noise lapha we had in the apartment, you understand? So he rather not greet people because ushawa amahlo phela Ishmael ukuthi abantu lapha sichathi bayahlanya or something like that, which is not the case, you understand? So yeah, these guys are actually in like a new good space, and things are actually going well for them, and congratulations to the both of them ngokubambana kwabo nesupport yabo. So moving on ke bafethu, uRoy iphoyisa is taken in. He is taken in for a questioning, you understand? So uyasho uRoy lapha nokuthi abantu ba-edithile lezi zinto lezi, this was a fake tape. Ba-edithile lezi zinto lezi, and ke udetective ke akafuna ukizwa leyo nto. She is tired of hearing uRoy ephika, because uRoy has been denying ukuthi yena kahle kahle yabona, he didn't do this thing, he didn't plant in drugs lapha in office la Genesis. And he said he wanted to make a phone call, of which he phoned uGabriel. Ufonele uGabriel, you understand, because uGabriel was the one that paid uRoy and the one that sent uRoy lapha Genesis ukuthi plant ama drugs, you understand. So at their bond lapha noGabriel no yabona besaqala ibond yabo ukuthi okay shabaza kuama movie, they'll go out for lunch, go out for ice skating, kuvele ngene icall ephuma kuyena ke uRoy, you understand, iphoyisa. So uRoy amtshela ukuthi hey mfethu lana kahle kahle sibanje footage, and yena uRoy uhleli no detective njengoba nje ikhuluma noGabriel. And uGabriel ke uyaxake kwemangela ukuthi hayibo kanti le video lena ibanjwe kanjani, iphume kanjani le video lena, of which means ukuthi uRoy did not do the job well, because bekungamele iphume la video lena, you understand. So uGabriel ke is also in trouble, he is also in hot water regarding ukuthi i-video phela i-footage isiphumile manje laphana and isemaphoyiseni lethu i-lawyer. And the good news is uFelicia noBonko are now released because they are not guilty, futhi nakhona they are innocent, you understand. So it continues ke detective is not buying i-story sikaRoy, akasibhayi nje i-story sikaRoy, akamuzwa kahle. So uBonko noFelicia are back at home, and then uMaruna came through as a guest yabona, ezoba-check, coming to check up on them. But ke knowing uFelicia ke bafethu, uFelicia akamfuni uMaruna nala hambe khona. Felicia does not wanna see Maruna at all, you understand. So uBonko had to step up and actually defend Maruna. Watshela ifamily ukuthi no, uyabonga ukuthi Maruna is caring for them and she cares for them kahle kahle, but it was the wrong time for her to come, yabona, because they were recently out of jail, yabona, they need to refresh and all of that. Well, at that yabona uBonko kamthathe kuMaruna aye naye phandle, we understand, yabona, ayokhuluma naye phandle yabona, but that seemed didn't show. So at that ke uNobuhle had to tell uFelicia ukuthi uGabriel ufikile la wazothatha uNoah ngenkani wahamba naye for the weekend. Yo ngabona ukuthi kwaFelicia, she was fuming, she was furious ukuthi uNoah uhambile, because she thinks ukuthi uNoah isn't safe around uGabriel, because akamthembi uGabriel futhi they hate Gabriel, you understand. So uGigaba kuyafika ke lapha na kuRoy jail, you understand, uzombuza ukuthi banjwe kanjani le video yakhona. Wasiyamtshela futhi ukuthi uRoy bekumele aphike asho ukuthi it was AI, yabona, it was a fake tape, you understand, that someone actually trapped him, or uRoy must have a lawyer or someone to speak for him, you understand, that regarding that video, because Gabriel isn't going down with uRoy, you understand that. But when days are dark, friends are few. And Gabriel was not there for Roy. Gabriel had to betray Roy, you understand, and let Roy go down by himself, you understand. Uzawasho ukuthi akamazi uRoy, and if Roy goes down, he is going down by himself. Roy yasho ukuthi uzoshada naye uGabriel, ngamane aboshwe naye uGabriel, ngeke azahambe yena ejele yedwa. So moving on ke bafethu, yena yambona amafethu athi uphuma kwishower, into angayijwayelanga ishower leyo, yabo, but ke manje uphuma kwishower ufresh, yabona, he feels new, he feels healthy, and ulambile kumafutho lapha yabo, he's hungry, ulinde ukudla. So there was a service delivery that was being held lapha ke-apartment yabo, badeliverele ukudla lapha nendawo yabo entsha. These people are actually living their life right now lapha ne-apartment, and I'm actually happy for them, yabona, because in Pukwini they weren't really safe, yabona, and mafutho yabo bengekho right financially, yabona, he was all alone most of the times, but uShmayeli ke beseqala ukubuya azohlala naye because they used to live together. But sekuyavela ke manje ukuthi the real soft life is actually with them, yabona, sebaphila kamnandi and stuff, yabo, ngibona nje bayadla lapha na smiling, bayikhuluma lapha exoxeni. So uPhumi ke bafethu was taking uWendu umama wakhe somewhere, yabona, of which I think uMpumi actually bought a site yabo. So uMpumi ngale mali ayithole kuGabriel, I do think ukuthi she is gonna do something, yabona laphana kula site lana, because yabona lapha kwane envelope, yabo, and she was giving uWendy uxakekile, she's confused as hell ukuthi what's happening, wazomisa lana. So it said ukuthi le ndawo amiswe kuyona uWendy indawo enama celebrities, abantu abanjengo Rebecca Malope. So uMpumi wants uWendy to be Rebecca Malope's neighbor and all the celebrities neighbors, you understand, neighbor, I can say, okay, pardon my French, my English, I mean. So yeah, uWendy is shocked to see ukuthi okay, uMpumi is really making this happen, yabo. And as you can see, she's overjoyed ukuthi uzokhandela uWendy i-double story house laphana kula site la, you understand. Well, can't wait to see ukuthi uMpumi unani-ke laphana uzoyikhanda kanjani futhi la site la ndlu lana kula site la. So moving on ke bafethu, uNoah is happy to see uFelicia, yabo, and uFelicia was there to fetch uNoah, but not knowing ukuthi there was a trap, you understand. Now amaphoyisa ekade hamba noFelicia, who is arrested now. Look who is arrested. So uGabriel Gigaba bafethu is finally arrested. I'm sorry, I can't contain myself bafethu, mina ngijabulile ukuthi lo muntu lona finally naye seboshiwe for framing people, of which I do know ukuthi uzophuma ngokusheshsha, but I'm just happy ukuthi he is now part of the people who are arrested for wrongdoings, you understand, because now it's believed ukuthi he was the one who sent uRoy ukuthi ahamba ayoplant ama-drugs lapha, and now is finally arrested. So uFelicia uThezolanda uNoah wamthatha wanyamalala naye, you understand. Noah ke futhi did not care because Noah kind of knew ukuthi uGabriel was behind this whole thing, you understand. So now ukusezandleni ezisafe uNoah bahambile banoFelicia. So Gabriel ke bafethu is finally arrested. Don't forget to tune in bafethu on Monday Genesis, Monday to Friday 7:30. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel bafethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.